Good morning vlog. Wow, it's been a while since I've posted anything on this channel, so let me just reintroduce myself. Hi, I'm Aubrey and I love to travel on a budget and show others how to do the same. It's been over a year since I made a video and I realized how much I love the digital memory of a vlog, so bear with me as I try to start this up again. And follow my channel for more travel vlogs. I'll also be posting budget tips and just general inspiration on seeing the world. I've got about 2.5 more weeks in Europe, so also stay tuned for more travel vlogs to come. I'm gonna head over to Madeira Island off of Portugal and Zurich, Switzerland. Today I am in Porto, Portugal, and I'm staying at the cutest hostel. It's called the Central House. They have breakfast, which makes me so happy. It's a huge buffet with lots of options, and you have to try the traditional pastel de nata when you're here. Hostels with buffet breakfast are truly top tier because they fill me up for the rest of the day. Okay, seriously though, look at all these options. They have bread, eggs, meats, cheeses. I'm such a foodie, so I have to show you all the food that the hostel provided. They even have a coffee machine, which I was in love with. It's also really important to start off every day with your priorities, and for me that's Jesus. So I try to read a proverb of the day, which is basically whatever day of the month it is, I'm gonna read that proverb. I'm also chronologically going through the Bible right now, and I'm still in 1 Kings. Really good, and just a good reset before I walk into my day.
Bon dia!
Okay, I've got my hostel behind me. It's called the Central House, and I've got to say it's amazing. One of my favorite hostels I've stayed at so far. And look at the view. It's right next to the river, so that's kind of amazing. I'll give you a full tour of my hostel in another video. Check that one out if you're looking to come to Porto and figuring out where to stay on a budget. I have a walking tour this morning booked through my hostel, which is super great. It's called Porto Walkers, and they have a bunch of different tours throughout the city, so I'm going to join their walking historical tour today. I think just to get a little bit better of an overview about Porto. Oh, it's hot. It's supposed to be like over 80 degrees today, so I'm hoping once this tour ends I can make it over to the beach. Yay, I found the tour.
Hello guys, my name is Alisson. I work for Porto Walkers here in Porto, in Portugal. And you're gonna follow Aubrey in your walking tour. Just book it with us. You're gonna love it.
Hi, my name is Idan. I'm from Jersey. And you're at the most beautiful McDonald's, I think, in the world.
This is actually the most insane McDonald's I've ever seen. I think it used to be a bank or a Roman building. I kind of forget, but it has chandeliers and stained glass windows inside. We found the most beautiful McDonald's in the world. This is actually insane.
Here comes the sun, doo-doo-doo-doo. Here comes the sun, and I say it's alright. Little darling, it's been a long, cold, lonely winter. Little darling, it seems like
Today we're trying a street style. It was our tour guide's recommendation. It's a Porto classic. Hot take, a little bit better than a pastel de nata. Okay, well my rating is a 6 out of 10.
I'll give it 5 out of 10.
Okay, I just finished my tour and it was really amazing. It was like almost 3 hours, but they took us all around the city, gave us the historical context, I guess, of everything. Okay, I ran back to my hostel after the tour. It was amazing. Came back and changed, and now I'm on the way to the beach. The UV is 9 today, and I still have a little bit of sunlight left, so I'm gonna go meet up with some girls that I met during my tour. They're from Australia. No, wow. They're from Canada, which is super cool, so we're gonna go meet up at the beach and have a nice girls' day. They're obviously not as well known for their beaches here as they are in the south, so I'm really excited to kind of see what the beach looks like. If anything, I'm just ready to cool off in the water because I am sweaty from all that walking this morning. Kind of gross. But I'm looking for bus 500, I think. I try to use public transportation when I'm abroad because it saves you so much more money than Ubering. I'm looking for 500. The bus is here. Found it, and that was not too hard, honestly. And it came 10 minutes out of time. Shut up. This whole bus is double decker. This is so cute. Okay, perfect. I made it on the bus all the way here. It was only a 30-minute bus ride, which was not too bad. And now I'm at the beach. So I'm super excited. So I need to go find these Canadians. I'll keep you posted. It's a lot colder down here than it was back in the city, so I don't even know if I'm gonna get in anymore, but definitely some good reading. I'll get some work done, tan. Holy heck, look at all these people. Okay, we got back from the beach. It was a beautiful day. I got changed again and we're gonna go out to dinner. I'll show you guys some clips from dinner and that'll be the end of my day. So here's an early good night.